Hi guys, welcome you all. In this video class, we will see with the problem number 9 relating to your branch accounts. See the question, the Kolar head office usually sends goods to its Nelamangala branch at cost price plus 25 percentage. Right? Means they are sending the goods to the branches at cost plus 25 percentage. Means ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 25% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. When this information is given, that is a cost plus 25%, then we have to convert the profit percentage on sales. That we will see in the working note number 1. Further, whenever required, the branches purchases goods independently from the following details. Prepare the Nelamangala branch account in the head office books. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚ್ ಅವರು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಯಾರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸೇ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು we will going to see with one by one where it will going to hit in the branch account. Petty cash balances as on 1/4/2014, opening petty cash, debit side of the branch account. Petty cash at closing on 31st March 2015, closing petty cash, credit side of the branch account. Stock on hand on 1/4/2014. ರೈಟ್, ಇದು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ which is received from head office, that is 12,800. This is at invoice price ಅಲ್ಲಿ, because they ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, usually send goods to its Nelamangala branch at cost plus 25%, that is at invoice price ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Now next one is goods purchased from outside. ಇವರು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ write this as invoice price, directly you take this as cost price. But this goods received from head office 12,800, it is at invoice price. Where we will going to write this to opening stock, goods received from head office 12,800, outer column alle bariri. Next, goods purchased from outside 3,200. Right. Next, goods sent to the branch, that is 1,36,000 at invoice price, debit side of the branch account. And again this we will take at credit side in order to know the profit. 1,36,000 into 20%, that in order to know the profit. Next one, cash sales, credit side of the branch account by bank account. Credit sales, this need to take for the preparation at the time of preparation of the memorandum datas account, but we have to see whether we have to prepare the memorandum datas account or not. Credit purchases, it will be recorded in total, that is a memorandum creditors account. These both will not come in the branch account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಬಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್, amount received from datas anta ide. So this is will be recorded under credit side of the branch account, and again at the time of preparation of the datas account we will write under credit side of the datas account. If not, ignore in the datas account. Next, datas as on 1/4/2014, opening datas kottidare, debit side of the branch account. And again if we are preparing the datas account, debit side of the datas account. Datas as on 31st March 2015, 22,400, credit side of the branch account, and again credit side of the datas account. Next one, office expenses, cash sent to head office to bank account, debit side of the branch account. Then they have given the information stock on hand on 31st March 2015, that is the closing stock. Closing stock ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? credit side of the branch account 12,000, and again this is at invoice price. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 4,000. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಡ್, ಏನು ಇದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಇವೆರಡೂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ 1/4/2014 1600 that is the opening creditors credit side of the branch account first ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ creditors and as on 31st March 2015 closing creditors that is a liability that is we will going to write under debit side of the branch account. This is all the transaction related to the preparation of the branch account. Then we will going to see the solution how to prepare the branch account. Now first we have to go with the working note, that is a calculation of profit percentage on sales. Why we have to calculate percentage on sales means the information is given, that is cost plus 25%. When this information is given, we have to calculate profit percentage on sales. How to calculate? Profit percentage divided by cost plus given percentage. Given percentage is how much? 25% divided by 100 plus 25, that is 25 divided by 125. Then when it comes to the ratio, that is 1/5 or 20%. How 20% means 1/5 into 100%, then you will get 20%. That is what we called 20% on sales price. This will be taken for the calculation of profit. Now see the problem. Preparation of the branch account, that is a Nelbangla branch. What we have to record? First debit side expenses and assets. Opening petty cash 4000 given. That is here. Opening petty cash. Opening petty cash is 4000. Next one. Closing petty cash ಬಂದು 4000 credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ. That is closing petty cash 4000. Next we will see with the opening stock. Goods received from head office, that is at invoice price 12,800. Next one, goods purchased ಅವರೇ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3200. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ goods sent to branch at invoice price 1,36,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, that is goods sent to branch 1,36,000. Next opening datas. Where is the opening datas? Here 1/4/2014 16,400. Next write the expenses. There is an expenses in the branch, that is office expenses amount 60,000. Write as to bank account. Next one, there is a opening creditors. See here at the end, opening creditors on 1/4/2014 1600. Write under credit side of the branch account. And again there is a cash sales. Cash sales ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 26,000. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ 2,24,400. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2,50,400. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 29,600. ದೆನ್ ನೆಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2,20,800. This is the revenue to the head office. Next one, closing stock. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ರೈಟಾ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆನ್ 31st March 2015 ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ 12,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೂ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ 4,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ datas is there. Closing datas is how much? 22,400. Next there is a closing petty cash 4,000. Closing petty cash. Next this is how next one is, that is closing creditors debit side 2,400. See here, closing creditors. This is how we are going to do when there is what cost price. Next ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬೈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. ರೈಟ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? that is goods received from head office at that is opening stock 12,800. There is a profit including in this. Remove that 12,800 into 20%, that is 2,560. The what we will going to write, that is by stock reserves. Next one, there is a goods sent to branch. Goods na branch ke ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು amount? 1,36,000. In this amount, profit is included. 1,36,000 into 20 percentage, that is amount 27,200. This is profit amount. Next, again closing stock is there. See here, closing stock is how much? That is closing stock, goods received from head office 12,000. This is including of the profit. Remove the profit from that. 12,000 into 20 percentage, that is 2,400. Then there is no goods returned by branch to the head office. So don't do the removal of the profit. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2,94,560 minus the amount from 2,94,560, that is 2,94,560 minus of all these debit balances, then you will get so the remaining balance size, that is called to general P&L account, that is profit 57,360. Right, this is how with the problem, that is a preparation of branch account. Hope you all understood. Follow the every transaction, and one note is there to the problem. Wait a second. Now, see that some two information given in the problem that we have not taken. Why? Because that is credit sales ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, credit purchase ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but we are not recording in the branch account. We will not record, but that should be recorded in the debtors account and creditors account. But why we are not recording the debtors and the creditors account? Because they have given all the information. Opening balance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, closing balance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, amount collected ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, amount paid ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರಿಂದ ಡೇಟಾಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ಡ್. Right, this is how with the problem relating to the problem, that is problem number 9. When the goods are sent by the head office to the branch at invoice price, that is cost plus profit. Thank you so much. Practice, guys, please practice.